Ninja Man didn't stand a chance against the hungry newcomer, but Mr. Up to the Time gets the blame for taking things too far.
Whenever time an artist call another artist name, that means you call him to stage, you invite him for a competition. You never invite him for lick him down here and your friend them with buckle. You never invite him for a gang war. And all them artists here, Mr. Leng must know who him a put on his show to, because this incident this morning has spoiled Sting reputation very, very bad.
In the Sting aftermath, the stakes rise dangerously for Cartel. He's detained and charged with possession of ammo. Freed from jail, a subdued Cartel declares his innocence but shoulders his share of the blame for Sting.
Vybz Kartel apologizes to the fans and to the people of Jamaica, to people who really wanted the best for dancehall music. You know what I mean? Because as I said, it's really a scare on the face of the dancehall music, and right now, as much damage can show as possible.